Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your X Twitter settings to see sensitive content. The platform hides potentially sensitive media that includes nudity or adult content behind a warning message that reads, "This media may contain sensitive material or potentially sensitive content." If you are an adult and want to access explicit content, you can view it by clicking through the warning message on every post. A more straightforward method is to remove the content warnings from the settings in the app. This guide will show you how to see sensitive content on X. You can view sensitive media on the X mobile app and website. If you are on iOS or Android, you can modify the settings to view posts with sensitive content. Here's how to do it. Click on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the app. Scroll down and tap Settings and Support. Again, select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy and Safety to open the safety settings. And then, select Content you see. Turn on the toggle for display media that may contain sensitive content. It removes the warning message when you view sensitive content. Then tap Search Settings. Turn off the toggle for Hide Sensitive Content if you want to see potentially sensitive content in your X search results. And that's all. X Media Policies describes the type of content it considers as sensitive. In addition to nudity and sexual behavior, it lists content such as graphic violence, gratuitous gore, and animal abuse. Some of this content is prohibited, and some have limited exceptions. If you are viewing sensitive content, you might be posting it. It's important to flag those posts as sensitive to avoid repercussions from X violating its policies. If you only occasionally post sensitive content, you can label individual posts as sensitive when you post them. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you then.